Ever since I found this particular trick, guys, voicing over my videos has been very easy for me, like so easy. This video is about voiceover made easy. If you are among those that are struggling to voice over your videos, this video is for you. Before now, I used to struggle so much to voice over my videos, like sometimes I do forget what I want to say, sometimes it doesn't come out perfect like the way I want to say it. Let's say I'm doing a video now and I have something in mind. Okay, this is what I'm going to say about this video. When it's time to voice over the video, guys, I will literally forget everything that I wanted to say in that video. I will be like, there are a lot of things that I said I will say in this video, but now I have forgotten, or the way I say it, it doesn't sound perfect. But since I found this particular trick, doing voiceover has been so easy for me and it has been amazing. Now, this video is not to teach you what you want to say. Nope, there's no one who will teach you what you want to say. That's your video, and you're the one who knows what you want to say about that video. You know which words suits the video. And one more thing, your voiceover must not be related to your video. Like you are cooking now, you can't be telling us that okay, I added maggi here, I added salt, I added. It's okay if you want to say it that way, but then you can still tell us something else. Maybe tell us stories, tell us about your life, about what happened in your life yesterday, or anything. You can do the video and tell us a different story. You can say something like, guys, you won't believe what happened yesterday, and everybody will be like, ah, what happened yesterday? Because everyone will want to know what happened yesterday. Okay, I prefer talking about what happened yesterday, talking about my favorite food, my favorite country, and all that stuff. Just something that will make your viewers stay long, something that will make them watch long, because some people will want to watch your cooking video while others will want to know what happened yesterday, what was your favorite food, what is the story of so something that you want to tell them. The only time my voiceover is related to my video is when I have to explain something. Let's say I'm cooking and I just want to explain why I cooked that dish that way, like I made it separate, different from what other people cook, or I'm traveling to somewhere and then I want to explain something to my audience. That's the time it is important that your voiceover is related to your video, so that those that are watching the video will also understand why it is so. So if you're among those that are struggling with voiceover, let me teach you how to come up with perfect voiceovers for your videos in the next 2-3 minutes. I promise I won't take your time. So first thing first, you go to your WhatsApp, go to send to you. That's you yourself. You type whatever you want to say, or if you have another WhatsApp account, WhatsApp number, because that's what I did. That's my second line, so I sent it to my second line, or you can still use send to you. Then you type whatever you want to say depending on the length of your video. After typing it, you send it to yourself. After sending to yourself, then you slowly read it out. Click on that audio icon, slowly read it out, and then still send to yourself. Then you click on that audio, you press and hold, then click on forward. Then you see that share arrow, the one there, you see it, share arrow. Then you scroll down and see save to files. Save to files, you click on it so that you can save it to your files. Then you change it, you can give it any name. You can just give it a name that you can easily remember. If you are the type that have so many files there, you have to give it a name that you can easily remember. Then after that, you click on save. So the audio is saved now. You can now minimize and go to your favorite editing app, maybe CapCut or InShot, but I am using InShot for the purpose of this tutorial. Okay, so let's assume that this is the video I want to use the audio for. So let me first of all remove the audio that is there already. Then I click on music. Now it brings me to this interface where you see extract from audio, you see local, you see imported. Then you click on imported. So this is the one that I already imported. I need to import a fresh one, so I will click on import. So it says import from. You choose where you want to import it from. I'm choosing files because that's where I saved it, so I will click on files. Here I don't have much files, so I'll just click on the particular audio, and because I already changed the name, it is easy for me to find it. I'll click on OK, save it here. Don't worry, you can delete it later. So I'll click on it and then click on use. The first thing I do after importing my video is to increase the volume so that I won't forget. It's very important. Then sometimes I do increase the speed. That's sometimes, not always. I just increase it to 0.5. That's optional, okay? It depends on how fast or how slow you want it to be. So you know those pauses, like whenever you are talking and you pause to breathe, it's very important that you remove it, except you don't want. But if you want to do your voiceover like a pro, just remove it. You can see me splitting and drawing it closer. All those pauses, that place that there's tiny lines, that the lines are very faint, very tiny, you just click and split that place. There's no words there. That's just the places that you pause to breathe. So I split and draw it close, split and draw it close. Let's play it so that you understand what I'm saying. I don't know if to say that I'm going through a lot or a lot is going through me. But guys, whichever way, I am not happy at all. I traveled to Ghana with my to-be husband just to go and see his parents. I am the type that don't like stress at all. Tell me why his mother said I should go. So this place, I found a little pause there and I also decided to remove it. One last thing, guys, before you go, remember that your voiceover has to be the same length with your video or shorter than your video. It can be longer than your video. This particular video, this voiceover is not for this particular video, okay? So once I'm done, I'll just click on check that good there. Then I'll click on export and save my video. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on my next video.